Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to show you how I make my own clip-in extensions, and I'm using hair from my own hair company, New Secrets Hair. I'll make sure to link everything down in the description box for you guys. And what I like about this hair is that it's quality, it's virgin hair, and it will last you a very long time. And I'm just doubling up the wefts on my Singer heavy duty sewing machine. I find this process to be very easy to go ahead and double the knots for your extension. You can always use your hand and sew the extension, but I just find it a little bit more easy. It took me a while to learn how to use a sewing machine, but trust me, your girl is practicing. But before I go ahead and add my clippings, I made sure to go ahead and use the L'Oreal hair dye in jet black to go ahead and color the hair because I wanted to match my natural hair and blend in properly. So before I do that, normally everyone will go in with the dye before, but I wanted to wash the extensions. I don't know why I have this thing that in my head that I do for my own hair, that I wash my hair first to get rid of anything and then I add the color. So because of that, I did the same thing with the extensions. After reading the instructions, I realized that girl, you didn't need to do all that, but it did came out very well. I love the coloring and everything, and it looks shiny. It just looked phenomenal. So after I wash it and everything, and make sure to protect your hands, by the way, I'm gonna go ahead and dye the hair. And I laid down on my countertop a trash bag, right, so that it does not mess up my counter and doesn't get messy. And I made sure to put on black clothes because child, you know, black dye, you don't want it to slip away from you. So it's just easy for me to go ahead and dye it this way. And I left it on for about 20 minutes or so, and then I wrapped it up in the garbage bag and let some heat trap into it so that it can process a little quicker, and it came out really great. So after I let the dye sit on the hair for about 20 minutes or so, I went ahead and rinsed it out and add my lavish shampoo by Motion once, and then I went in with the conditioning treatment that came in the box dye. To my surprise, it felt heavenly. It made the hair feel super soft and also pretty shiny. So I'm happy with the products that came into the box dye. The hair looks so luscious and just complements my hair so much that I really love this process. So I'm prepping the hair now for my blow drying process, and I made sure to detangle while I was using the condition treatment, and also throughout this process I'm using my Dyson blow dryer to blow dry this hair. It did not take a long time to blow dry, thankfully, because it can be very annoying sometimes to blow dry hair. But I just love how shiny and luscious this hair looks. It feels amazing, and I'm just so proud that I am selling this hair on my website. And after which I blow dry my hair, I'm going to add the clipping extensions to the hair. And I went on Amazon searching for some snap-on clip-ins, and I found the best clip-ins in my opinion. These are from the brand called Fushin, I think, and it comes with about 30 snap clip-ins, also tape measure, scissors, needle, thread, everything. Is like your one-stop shop for DIY clip-ins. I'll make sure to link everything down below. And what I want to do with the hair is I want to go ahead and mimic my extensions that I had previously that I got from Amazon. I'm starting off with different inches. I went around like 2 inch, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and also 9, and I did two of each just to make sure I have enough clip-ins. You don't need a lot, but just for my preference and sometimes how I want to style my hair, I just want to have enough. So those are the amounts that I have, two of each from about 2 to 9 inches. So when adding these snap-on clips to the hair, any hair ranging from 2 inches to 3 inches, I only use one snap-on clip because those ones are so small that you only need one. Any hair ranging from about 4 to 6 inches, I will use two clip-ins because obviously they're in the medium range and they do need one at each side to make sure that it lays flat. And for the inches ranging from about 7 to 9, I most definitely use three clip-ins because you need two at each end and one also in the middle so that the hair lays flat on your scalp and it does not look too droopy and doesn't bulky blending into your hair. As you can see, I'm sewing on the clips now to the hair, and I made sure to open them up a few times to make sure I'm not sewing them backwards because trial would be a hot mess, and it's pretty time consuming just sew on these clips, to be honest with you. After a while I got pretty annoyed with it, but I stuck with it. And what I like to do is just to look on the clips and just go through in and out through the gold holes in there, and it's pretty basic. And once I'm through, I just cut the thread and just tie some knots in there to make sure that everything is sturdy and it stays in place, and you're pretty much done. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's not very difficult at all if you want to make your own clipping extensions. I will say all you have to do is make sure that you get hair that you really love, that is of quality. And again, if you want to purchase from me, everything will be down below, but it's pretty easy to make your own clipping extensions if you want to. Child, after about 1,000 years of sewing on those snap clips, I'm finally through and I'm going in right now to curl the extensions. I don't want to curl them in my hair because I want to reduce any tension and less manipulation of my hair to prevent any breakage. So I found this great idea to go ahead and curl the hair on my canvas head, which is just pretty genius if you ask me. And I'm doing this while I am prepping my hair for my wash day routine. I made sure to post that video before so you could always check it out if you're intrigued and if you want to see how I do my old routine and shenanigans. So I will make sure to link the video down below also for you. But this is an ingenious way for you to go ahead and curl your extensions and just look how phenomenal the hair is. Look how beautiful and luscious it is. And one thing for sure is that it blends in beautifully with my hair. As you can see, this is the end result. It just blends in. It looks beautiful. I got so much compliment about this hair. It's absolute gold. Make sure to go ahead and purchase. Also, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and let me know your thoughts. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.